G'day everyone, Ask the Simpson Brothers here. Today you had to change another pollen filter for my 2016 Hyundai i30. All you had to do, change the okay. Get rid of the latch lock. Get rid of one of that. Get rid of the owner's manual. Torch. Okay. Alright. Okay. Now here's the pollen filter. There it goes. The instruction manual. Hyundai i30. Okay. 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 Oh, look at that. It's dirty. They filthy and crap. It is filthy. Is filthy. No debris. There. There's dirty one. There's dirty one. And the clean one. And the clean one. So this. Wow, look at that. Airflow. Airflow. Yeah, these arrows. Oh, that's my mom's car. There it goes. It fits. Yep, it fits. And there he goes. Yep, there he goes. And there he goes. See? And there he goes. There it goes. Yeah. Oh, let's keep you on the instructions that put in the bin. Yeah, just put in the bin. Okay. Just in. Yeah, just put in the bin. Yes, just. Yeah, they dirty. They dirty. There. There you goes. All you gotta do the turn the ignition. Let's see how he goes. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. Oh. See? There you go. Job done. Yeah. Okay, see you later. So thanks for watching. And subscribe on my channel. Subscribe, favorite. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.